Before watching this training video, watch these. Ticketing Overview. How to sell a ticket order, single tickets. How to sell a ticket order, packages. Create a new communication record. After an event, it is very important to record which contacts actually attended the event. You may want to use this data down the road. Perhaps people who attended an event will be invited to future events, or you may want to include them in a special solicitation mailing. In Sumac, event attendance is tracked using communication records. Every contact who attends an event will have a communication record indicating the event they came to. If you are using Sumac Ticketing, you can easily track which tickets are used and convert used tickets into communication records to track event attendance quickly and in bulk. At your event, as you collect tickets from patrons, keep either the tickets or the tear-off stub. Barcodes enable you to do this automatically and are discussed later in this video. In your Sumac console, expand Events and click Ticket Orders. Expand the Analyze and Report menu. Then click Sold Tickets. Select the event for which you want to record attendance. Then click OK. Sumac asks if you want to show the buyer's addresses in this report as well. If you wish to do this, click Yes, but know that doing this will take Sumac a bit longer to produce the report. For this example, we are focusing only on ticket usage, so we do not need the buyer's addresses. Sumac produces the list of sold tickets, sorted by seat number. It also displays the seat numbers, ticket, the buyer IDs, the buyer's names, and pricing information for these tickets. If you kept all the tickets that were used at the event and have a barcode scanner that can scan the barcodes for those tickets, use the Start Ticket Scanner button so that you can scan each of the used tickets to record which tickets were used more rapidly. For this example, we'll do this manually. Go through the list of tickets, setting the Used checkbox for each ticket that was used at your event. If some tickets went unused, perhaps one of the buyers did not attend the event, do not set the Used checkbox. If you know several tickets were used at the event, you can select all those tickets and set the Used box for all of them at once. For example, let's assume all these tickets from this particular buyer were used at the event. We can select all those tickets and click the Set Used button to mark that all of them were used. Once you have recorded all the used tickets, you can click Export to save the used tickets report in a file. For now, just save the ticket usage information into the database by clicking OK. Now that we've recorded which tickets were used, we can convert those used tickets into communication records to mark that those contacts attended the event. Expand the Special Editing menu and click Tickets to Communications. Select the event, and Sumac presents a few options. You can choose to record communications for the tickets that were used, those that were unused, or both. For this example, record communications that were used for this event. We don't need to record attendance communications for people who did not attend the event. Sumac opens a communication record where we can fill in all the details. In this communication record, we do not need to record a contact, since Sumac already knows which contacts used their tickets. Select an appropriate communication type. For this example, we'll choose Attended Event. Notice that Sumac filled in the event name for us. Sumac inserts today's date as the date for the communication record. However, you should probably change this. Specify the date the event actually took place. You do not need to insert a note here. Sumac will automatically insert an appropriate note into each communication record. Click OK to save the communication records for everyone who attended your event. Check out more training videos to learn more about Sumac.